Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your distance from other people on Tinder. So first of all, of course, you would like to have Tinder application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and then just get straight to it. So first of all, after opening the Tinder application, that will be actually your main screen. Here you can match or skip people. Of course, here we have the option of explore, which is like on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, which is recently added to all the social media recently. Here you will see the people who can actually like you, or who already liked you. You can see that with the Tinder Gold, of course, and here you can start messaging with people on Tinder after matching with each other. So as we said, we would like to hide a distance in this tutorial. All you need to do, if you want to do that, just go and head up to your profile by clicking at your icon at the top left corner. So here is it. Just go and click on that and make sure to complete this and fill it by 100%. And simply by going and click at your edit profile, add pictures here, because one of every picture here add like actually 4% to the 100%. And here you can, or you should add about me. It will add here a percentage, so everything has this percentage on the right of it. You should add it for sure to get the 100%, to get this 100% completely here. So after all of that, and after that, you would like to hide your distance, and simply by going to your edit profile again and scroll down into the bottom of this edit profile. So as you can see here, you can, or you have this option to don't show my distance. So if you enable that, you would like to pay for actually a Tinder Plus. So if you click continue, they will ask you to add your debit card here. Then all you need to do, just go and click buy now. Of course, if you don't have a debit card, you can buy with Google Play instead. So you have several options to pay. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.